U.S. stocks are mostly higher Friday as a wobbly week of trading nears its close. Amazon is climbing following a strong first quarter, and other retailers are up as well. Weak results from ExxonMobil are weighing on energy companies, while big technology companies and defense contractors also take losses. Asian stocks rose following the landmark summit of the leaders from North and South Korea. Keeping score, the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 7 points to 24,329. The Nasdaq Composite rose 2 points to 7,121. The Russell 2000 index of smaller company stocks lost 1 point, or 0.1%, to 1,556. Most of the stocks on the New York Stock Exchange traded higher. Amazonian earnings. Amazon said its first quarter profit more than doubled as consumers shopped more online and revenue from its cloud computing business continued to rise. The results were far stronger than Wall Street expected, and the stock jumped 3.9% to $1,577.20, adding to Thursday's 4% gain. Amazon also said it will hike the price of an annual Prime membership to $119 from $99 in the U.S. Amazon stock peaked in mid-March and slumped in subsequent weeks after President Donald Trump repeatedly criticized the company over issues including its contracts with the U.S. Postal Service. Other retailers and consumer-focused companies also climbed. Online travel company Expedia rose 8% to $114.88 as investors applauded its first quarter report. Athletic apparel maker Nike added 2.3% to $69.63, and Rival and Under Armour rose 5.8% to $17.89. Economy. The U.S. economy grew 2.3% in the first quarter, better than experts had forecast. While consumer spending turned in the weakest performance in nearly 5 years, experts think it will pick up later in the year, thanks to continued low unemployment and Republican-backed tax cuts. Stocks have bobbed up and down this week as investors admired strong first-quarter results from companies like Amazon, Facebook and Microsoft, but worried about rising raw materials costs and higher interest rates. Karen Kavanagh, senior market strategist for Voya Investment Strategies, said investors haven't regained their confidence since the market's plunge in February. But in her view, the economy continues to do well, and there are few signs that inflation or wages are about to rocket higher, an outcome that could put a dent in corporate profits. There's reason to think things are very, very good, but not overheating. That's a great environment for earnings, she said. The market is getting a little bit spoiled. Bond prices rose again. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note fell to 2.96% from 2.98% Thursday. It hit 4-year highs recently and peaked at 3.03% earlier this week. High-yield stocks like utilities moved up. Earnings. Even with help from climbing oil prices, ExxonMobil's results still fell short of estimates, and its stock dropped 3.5% to $78. Cable company Charter Communications tumbled 12% to $262.27. Technology companies also gave up an early gain. Intel rose 5% in the morning but later dipped 0.5% to $52.81. After a big rally in the morning, Microsoft rose 1.4% to $95.58. Korea Summit. The leaders of North and South Korea vowed Friday to seek a nuclear-free peninsula and work toward a formal end to the Korean War this year, although they offered few specifics about how they would achieve those goals. As part of the summit, Kim Jong-un became the first North Korean leader to visit South Korea since 1953, when the two sides signed an armistice that left them still technically at war. Later, Kim and South Korean President Moon Jae-in briefly stepped into North Korea together. Seoul's Kospi was 0.7% higher, and Tokyo's Nikkei 225 added 0.7%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng advanced 0.9%. UK slowdown. In Britain, shares got a lift after soft growth data reined in expectations that the Bank of England will raise interest rates again next month. The pound fell sharply, to $1.3772 from $1.3924. That was good news for British exporters, as it makes their goods less expensive, and London's FTSE jumped 1.1%. The German DAX rose 0.6% and France's CAC 40 added 0.5%. Energy. Benchmark U.S. crude fell 0.1% to $68.10 a barrel in New York, while Brent crude, used to price international oils, fell 0.1% to $74.64 per barrel in London. Wholesale gasoline rose 0.6% to $2.13 a gallon. Heating oil lost 0.4% to $2.15 a gallon. Natural gas lost 2.4% to $2.77 per 1,000 cubic feet. Metals, gold rose 0.4% to $1,323.40 an ounce. Silver fell 0.5% to $16.41 an ounce. Copper dropped 2.2% to $3.05 a pound. Currencies, the dollar, slipped to 109 yen and 12 cents from 109 yen and 36 cents. The euro fell to $1.2107 from $1.2106. Copyright The Associated Press. All rights reserved.